Get ready of your spark plug and also the equipment that you need to use. You can start to remove any things that is blocking the way to access this spark plug. For example, now I'm removing the air intake because it's blocking my way. Gently remove all the spark plug cable, because if you pull it too hard it might cause the spark plug cable to spoil. So you need to gently remove all 4 spark plugs cables. Here I manually put in the socket just to make sure that it is fit in tight before I use the ratchet to loosen up the spark plug. Insert the ratchet and make sure that you loosen the spark plug and not tighten it instead. It would be moved to the anti-clockwise and rotate until it is loose, and then you can remove the spark plug from the placement. Repeat this process to all the remaining spark plugs, and for following videos I will fast forward the video as 4x just to make sure that you have to watch it how to get the spark plug all removed. This is the brand new spark plug. Just ensure that you are using the recommended spark plug for your car. Use your hand to gently guide the spark plug into the placement. Gently twist it before using the ratchet, just to ensure that you do not spoil the thread because of the misalignment of the spark plug and the thread. Place in the socket first, and then just to make sure that you have the socket in place, then you can use the ratchet to tighten it up. Repeat the same process to tighten all 4 spark plug in place. And again, this video is speed up 4x. Once you felt that the spark plug is tight enough, just ensure that you do not over tight the spark plug, and it will cause it very hard to remove in the future. So I would suggest that you tighten it 1/4 rotation once you felt the spark plug is tight in place. Then you secure the spark plug cable. Pay attention on the placement and place in the spark plug cable as if how you remove it, because if you place it wrongly, it will cause the spark plug to misfire and not align with the timing itself. One of the final steps is to start up your engine, and just to make sure that all the spark plug works perfectly. And then now your car is ready and installed with the new spark plugs.